Right, so I'm buckled in, I'm ready to go. Just the cockpit view of my beast. Aircon's pumping full speed because it is hot out here. I'm going to be mounting the GoPro to my helmet, getting in a couple of laps. We've got CJ and Alan getting ready over there. Alan's going to go out with CJ first to sight his first lap, and then come back, and then I will go out for my first with instruction from Alan. So looking forward to it. Be back in a bit. Let's do this. Window up, eh?
You need it open to scan your card first.
Okay.
But yes, close the window. Sorry, bro. See? Work it.
Work it, work it.
Work it.
Work out.
No fucks given. How's your mirrors? You set them?
Yes, got them.
Got a nice clear view down your flank?
Yeah.
Okay, good. So one other thing, I will always, I can't see a lot. I can't see a lot in my mirror. Okay. And I can't see if I look over my shoulder either.
So just stick in the left hand lane, yeah?
Yeah. So never ever rely on me
to tell me what's happening
for traffic. Yeah, traffic management's driver's responsibility. I can't see shit from here. If I see something, I will call it, obviously, but don't rely on me for it.
Right.
Closer. You're not going to be able to touch and watch the rims though. That's plenty close enough. There you go.
Nurburgring. Should do Nurburgring. Don't get the fucking M3.
It's a rental. You're probably going to be cut slow. Doesn't matter though. You also a rental and taking it easy. So. Alright man, we are on the Nordschleife.
Yes!
How's them? How's them apples?
Still getting used to the actual width of the car being on the right.
Oh, you can touch the cobblestones if you want to get a feel for it. I mean, go close to it and see where it starts to go blue.
Okay. It's got close. Right, gotcha.
See the little number board, the 198 just above the arm curve beyond the cones?
Yeah.
Those are the little white number boards I'm talking about. And then obviously the big Yokohama signs as well. Alright, you can take us out, get us up to speed. Alright, keep an eye out for traffic, you can go. Normally at the Yokohama sign we start a nice long arc and tight to the left curve. But because everyone's coming out, close that window. It's going to get noisy. Alright, here we keep going on the gas. If you're very, very fast, you can back off in the compression. You don't really need to now. On the gas, now tight to the left curve. Straight across to the right curve. Keep the gas going. Keep the gas going. Keep the gas going. Keep the gas going. Now start trail braking. Tight to the 202. Brake properly to the cobblestones. Third, yeah. Second, third. Alright, now we come in and hug the curve on the left. Don't worry about second for the first. Braking. Blue arrow tight to the arm curve. Late, that's fine. Then always use your width. Slowly start coming to the right, ready to go left. Alright, start your braking to third. At the end of the wall where the safety light is, turn in. Tight. Watch it.
Got him.
Yeah, very good.
Got him.
That's exactly what I'm talking about, taking the left mirror, so well done. Early wide to the left. A little bit of brakes to the 2. At the 2, release the brakes, in on the gas. Load the gas. Remember when I say gas, I never want you to go flat out. I never want you to drive faster than you can. It just means be on the gas. Braking, third gear. Always use your gears, don't just boom. Alright, double right hand, a single radius. Follow the shiny line and let it bring you all the way back to the right. Onto the cobblestones dot on the floor, in. High curve to end of curve, no gas yet. In on the gas now, tight. And out wide on the gas. Good, very good. Alright, we're going to open cresting right. We're going to cut it nice and tight to the arm cone, keep it going on the gas. Run it out wide to the left and stay wide on the left. After the crest, double right hander, stay wide until you're ready to turn in, stay wide. In you go, follow the shine line, feed the gas the whole way, feed it the whole way. So it pulls you through the corner. Good. Long left coming up, you can go, he's slow. Hold you, he's slow. Keep the gas flat, go tight to the left. Alright, you're going to hike the next curve all the way and run wide on your exit. Immediately over to the right, ready to go left. At the crest, in we go. Oh, they're not on you yet. Straight as you can down here, try not to follow the track, try to drive as straight as possible. Without touching the curves. Now, you're going to hike this curve to the end of the curve, at the end of the curve, long arc, tight to the left curve. And braking to the motorcycle sign. At the motorcycle sign, release, in you go.
Silver coming up behind me.
Yeah, okay, so now indicate right and hug right and then go by. We've got a late entry left coming up and our force you go wide to the blue paint, in tight. And hug left. Hug left, hug left, hug left. In. Now gas out and then you can move the force. Move right. There's an E36 back there, he's probably
He's coming. The whole group's coming now.
Alright, coming up to Metzgersveld. Open right, run wide to the right and braking. To the end of the cobblestones. In you go, on the gas now. Wide exit. Stay wide.
Behind me.
Braking, okay, stay wide. Don't go off the track, don't break off the track. Yeah, in you go tight if it's available. Yeah. Don't worry about that biting pull, that's the apex. In, wide out. 8K sign, start braking third gear to the white dot on the outside. Stay wide, in tight. Tight. Yes, now gas open. Over to the right, ready to go left. Little bit of brakes to the 108. Off the brakes, in tight. Straight across. Careful, wide. Braking. Deep entry first. Go deep. Follow this arc now. That's too deep. Miss. You apex the second one and miss the others. Out wide. Stay wide. Fast corner. Brake hard, slowest corner. Now third gear will work fine. It's up front of the second right now. Go middle deep first. And now tight against the left gear. Hug left. On the gas now. In right. Wide left on the exit. Stay wide. Open right coming up. Stay wide. Now coming tight against the curve. And brake in a straight line. Wait till you finish. Third gear. To the white dot. In double left. Follow a single radius. Let it go deep and now follow it all the way back to the left curve. Hug this curve to the end of the red and white curve. Wide. In now gas. Open wide. That's just. Now you're going to drag race. Alright, we're going to open left hander coming up. When you see the white dot on the floor, in you go on the gas, you don't need to brake it. Stay wide on the left, I'll tell you if you brake. Triangle, start braking down to third. Go to the outside and follow the shape to the end of the cobblestones. In tight now, on the gas, and hug right, let it go.
On my arse and then he doesn't want to go past.
Yeah, so I say, mate.
Tell me when I'm getting close to the road.
Yeah, alright. Is he going? Is anyone going? I can't see. Okay, it looks like he's going to go.
The whole fucking stream of cars.
He's got 4 core power. Is it clear?
No, 3 more
Keep
cars.
it going now. Alright, stay wide in, don't go off. Apex is going to have more speed than you
Yeah,
and then you're going to pass him again when we go through offset carousel. Alright, keep it flat, bro. Keep it going. You're going to run wide up to the left hand side. Stay on the gas, no lifting. Into the right. Straight across. Wide early to the right hand side. No, you're fine. Into the cobblestone. Okay, no problem. Stay around the outside. Don't stop. Alright, long.
Out of nowhere, bro.
Straight forward. Go on your left. Once he's passed, get wide. And in you go on the gas. Out wide on the exit. Stay wide. Start your braking at the curve on the left. Brake hard down to third gear to the Yokohama sign. At the Yokohama sign, turn into apex after the 140 on the inside. tight to the black, but don't put your wheels on. As tight to it as you can get. Yes.
Fuck yeah!
Alright, keep it going. Starting our climb up to Nordschleife now. Keep it going, is that alright? It's up to you. Tight in.
Nice.
Now he's slow, he's going to hold you up to the other corners. You've got him again coming behind you, stay wide. Normally at the end of this curve, we turn in tight to the left curve and we hug it. Okay. Alright. Yep, get us going. Braking, don't go off, Jack.
Yeah.
Alright, in we go. Let this go for this.
Move life to fuck off.
Alright, it's available. Either let him go or go. Alright, nice and wide, it's available. A little bit of brakes, tight into the curve, tight. Hammer brakes again, go a little deep. Now keep bringing all the way to the left, all the way left, in on the gas. Now using the curve. Stay wide, braking after the cobblestones. In we go. Load your gas. Don't go crazy, but keep it pulling you, and it keeps coming right, and then go right. Braking to the Yokohama sign into a double left. In you go. Let it run deep so that you can shape your arc back up against the left curve into Brinsham. Stay wide, braking, but stay wide. You can go around the outside of the scope. Go. In. Gas. Braking. Into the cobblestones. In. That was a bit hot. And wide. Alright, start to come away. Yeah, alright. Through them. Almost to the yellow A. And tighten now once it's passed. Hug the curve. Feed the gas. Now we're going into a long open left. You want to open your arc to the fence on the outside, wide. And at the fence, in on the gas. Braking. Don't panic, always do everything smooth. You can hit your hazard button. Go out of the shit, so go around the outside.
Oh, is that where the shit went down?
This is where the guy cucked oil, biker went off in there. And the car, you'll see the burn mark now. The car was burning here, just after this on the right. Yeah, on the top of the crest basically. So he stopped and stayed. Alright, the arrows are off. Yeah, you can go. Stay wide. Just before the end of the curve, in tight to the right curve. Keep it tight, keep it going straight. Hug left a little bit, in on the gas. Straight as you can. Into the arm go with the orange paint and start your braking and go all the way to the outside. Wide. In and hug right now. Stay on the right. Drop a gear into the small cobblestones. Watch it in tight. Fine. Yeah, don't go off. Never go off. Hold your line. Remember, you've got a second lane here. Stay wide. Braking almost to the end and in tight onto the black this time. On the black, tight to the curve. Need to get tighter. You don't want to pop out so early.
Yeah.
That'll put you in the grass over there. Nice and wide to the left. A little bit of brakes. Off the brakes, in tight and long arc now. Open that arc all the way to the fence where you see the 186 wide. Now modify in. Start to feed your gas. Full gas. Run it out as you go. That's it.
Yes, that's good.
What's the time? 47. Did CJ go out?
Yes, he did.
Alright, did you want to stop and swap with him?
Do you want to go with another one, or do you want to go with him for another one? Because I think he actually wanted to go for another one with you.
I know he does, but he's gone out on his own. Yeah, okay, let's stop and wait for him to come in. Oh my god, I don't have CJ's card. Well, he's here, so I'll jump in with him 90. I told him I put the card in the caviar. He's sitting there like a doofus not driving because he doesn't listen. Yeah, boy.
Jesus. What a fucking race, bro. Jesus. Eh?
Take to go.
Fuck, it goes quickly.
Nothing like this TV Arsenal, bro.
Holy shit balls. That was mad.
That's it.
And then right.
Yeah.
Wait,
Left and right.
Yeah.
And then in and find a parking. You've got it. He's a dingus. Park go next to yeah, you can on this side.
There we go. Let's do that. Oh, I don't want to hit CJ's car. There.
Can you imagine bringing them both back damage? What did you do?
Just drove into each other.
Drove into each other in the parking lot.
Oh, wait for them to move out the way and I'll give you some more space.
That's good. That's plenty. There's a curve behind you. A lot of people digging their exhaust. Nope. No?
It's in your car.
It's in your car. Don't listen.
Oh,
Yeah, you see it in here.